Pratima from Cybernous, and today is really a very special moment for us. I'm sitting here with my cup of tea and an even bigger sense of happiness. I have with me Pooja, who has just passed her CISSP exam yesterday, and she is so generous to give her testimonial. And I know it would have taken a lot of commitment and patience, the right mindset. So I know you people would be really very excited to know about her success story, her CISSP success story. So Pooja, welcome to the call and many congratulations once again.
I was thinking from quite some time that I need to, get CISSP certified. What should I go for? Any other trainings and all of that. And I was just searching through. And then, so there are a lot of boot camps kind of trainings which are available in the market. But and I also, so I was searching through in LinkedIn and I also came across Cybernous. What stood separate for me from Cybernous perspective is since we all are working professionals, we do have our daily jobs, right? So it's not like I'm going to just sit and study 24/7 or, throughout the day. It doesn't work like that. So, and we being women, right? I am a mother. I have a 6-year-old child. So I have too many things to do. It's not just work. To be frank, I have many things to do in a day. So if I have to do a training or get certified, I can dedicate only few hours in a day, and I need to do that consistently to achieve that. So what I thought, so I was doing the pros and cons thing, and the other trainings which I came across, they are all boot camps. You attend 15 days or a month, and then it's all depends on me how diligently I study every day, and then in how many months I'm gonna finish my or I might feel confident that I'll give the exam, and also there are so many blockers which are going to come in your way. There are so many shift in priorities that might happen because when, for example, there's some priority project which comes up in the office which you cannot delay, and then we all tend to prioritize our work first because that is our main stream of work, right? Or there is something at the family which I need to prioritize. That will also happen. But then when I saw Cybernous, there's a streamlined 100 days program, and there is like every day you need to complete that amount of studying every day. So even if it is difficult, not difficult, you're bound to do that. If you're really, very interested and ambitious that you want to do CISSP, then you should have mindset, and you will, that gives you an extra motivation that no, by end of the week, I have call with sir, workshop or gym session, and by then I have to finish the 7 days of work. So you do it in a single day, you do it in last 3 days or whatever, but you manage to cover that 1 week of course in that day. So that really helped me. I mean, there were a lot of blockers in between because I had so many other commitments, but every week I made sure, there are cases where I missed a few days of classes, or I could not complete few days of class in that particular week, but I made sure I did not have any backlog. Why? Because we have a streamlined approach. So that really helped me. So there is this 100 days course, but the syllabus finishes at 92. So at 92, I had completed 8 domains. I'd read it once. So that really helped me. So I think exactly in 120 days, I gave my CISSP exam. I do remember, I think our batch started on November 16. I gave my exam yesterday on March 16. So it's almost 120 or 118 days or something like that. So it was possible only because greatest advantage was the structured approach of the 100 days. And after that, I started revising. The content is so everything is almost covered, right? Whatever is in our manual, CISSP manual, official manual, everything is almost covered. And then in the weekend gym sessions, we do interact. So that time you do understand how you should study. What is the way that you should study. So I did understand that. So first week, I'm telling you, I read it like a novel. I did not make notes. I read the concept like a novel. I'm like, this I know. Okay, yeah, very nice. That's all. And then in the weekend, I attended the gym session. I'm like, no, this is not a normal novel kind of reading that works, right? So you need to make notes. You need to jot down the important points, and then you should keep it in your mind so that when there are questions in an application way, in a scenario based, you're able to remember the concept and apply that knowledge. So CISSP, all the 100 questions I got, none of them are direct questions. It's all scenario based. Initially, I don't know, in my exam, I got difficult questions initially, and I was like, I studied rigorously for 4 months. What did I study? Am I, what is going to happen? I got a negative mindset. But then what I also understood after the exam got over is the mindset, the managerial mindset that you develop through these 100 days of study, which sir helps build, right? When we attend those gym sessions, sir explains the concepts, if any concept is difficult for us, and also he helps us solve those questions, which will give us an idea what are the kind of questions which are asked. So what is the level of preparation that is required from us when we go through the videos and the PPT presentations, right? So that really helped. And also in the end, when I went through the Udemy question, that really check your potential. I mean, where do you stand and where do you stand and when can you give your exam? Do you need another round of revision? Do you lack understanding of particular concepts where you need to refresh again? And also sir has trained so many people like me, so he's very knowledgeable in that way. Whenever we score some particular marks in Udemy or any other domain level tests as well, so he would say, I mean, you're doing good, or you need to improve, maybe do this, do that, do a raindrop method and all of that. So he has that knowledge, so that really helps. And sir is very dedicated. I mean, I appreciate. So it's not just me, there are so many people in our at a time there are 3 to 4 batches which are running, but sir knows. So at a time that he's concentrating on teaching all those 3 batches, and also he knows who's going to give exam in the next week, so he makes sure he talks to those people. I did not, so I was just doing my revision. I did not call sir or did not message him, but I told him that I've booked the exam, I'm studying, sir. I did not give him an update as such. And then sir is like, why are you not messaging me? What's happening? Are you in the negative mindset? Talk to me. You can message me. You can take 2 minutes of your time in a day and message me. I mean, that's very proactiveness, right? And then I felt so bad. I'm like, I'm sorry, sir. I'll keep you updated. I'm just revising. I haven't started giving any Udemy tests yet. So as soon as I start, I will update you with all the marks that I get. I'm just revising. So sir has been very proactive. And also the teams are also, it's not just individual study. So in the gym sessions, you have different people with different mindset, and then you see how different people approach. Then there are few things which you learn from others as well. Oh, he is approaching a particular question from this kind of a mindset, and then maybe that is the right thing to do. And that also help. You learn from others, and then there is you, and then the entire Cybernous team who's like the back end support for Manoj sir, who's making sure everything runs smooth. Sir is the front face, and you all make sure everything runs very well in the back end. So thanks to all of you. It's the entire team effort which helped me pass through this.
So well, Pooja, thank you so much for taking the time out to share your journey with us, especially so soon after your success. So your story is not just about passing the exam, it is about the consistency and the courage and the motivation which you were getting throughout your journey. And once again, heartfelt congratulations to you on your wonderful achievement. And we are really truly proud of you and very happy to have you have been the part of your this journey. Thank you, Pooja, for joining the call, and many congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.